Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kay. I will greatly appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit the notification tab so you're notified anytime I post videos like this one. So today I went ahead and we went over to the mall. My daughter has a birthday party coming up, so she needed to find her an outfit for the party. It is an all white theme, so we went over to Zara. We weren't able to find anything, so then after we went over to Forever 21, she didn't really find any white items that she liked, so we had to improvise a little. So she found this really cute slip skirt. It's a champagne color slip skirt. It is so cute, guys. So this is how it looks. She got it in a size small. Has little details, and it has the zipper on the side, and it's ankle length. My daughter's on the taller side. She's about, I want to say, 5'4", and it hits her at her ankle, so it's pretty long. And then for the top to go with the outfit, she found this really cute knitted crop top. Guys, this is so cute. Look at the details on it. It's so cute. So that's her little outfit she'll be wearing to her party. Now let's go ahead and do the unboxing for the Amazon items that I just collected from the mailroom. So I did a really huge Amazon order. Let's just open the package for some hair care items, and it just came in. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we have in here. So first item we'll start off with are these shampoo and conditioner I got from OGX. These are actually for my extensions. I will not be using this on my natural hair. I already have a shampoo that I'm using on my natural hair, so I picked these up for my extensions. So it's a deep restoring and Procaxi, I'm probably butchering that name, recovery oil shampoo, and it's from OGX. Like I said, this is how it looks. So I got the shampoo and I got the conditioner as well. So this is the shampoo and the conditioner. I've never tried those. This is my first time trying it, so I will let you know how it works. It's supposedly good for like anti-frizz, so we'll see how that goes. I also pick up the Argan Oil of Morocco. I've been using this for years, and I really do like how it smells and makes my hair feel. It's really moisturizing, and it does not make my hair feel heavy when I use it. Let me just open it so you guys can see it better. So it came as a pack of 2. This is how it looks. It's the same thing. I'll just show you one bottle. So it's an extra penetrating oil for dry and coarse hair. I love how this smells. It smells so good. And in this other package, I've been getting back into reading for a couple years now. I have not been reading as much as I normally do, so I got back into reading. So I picked up some books. So to go along with those new books, I got me some magnetic bookmarks. It comes in a set of, it's 10 in a pack. So it's these and that side. So we'll see how that works. Let me open it so you could probably see how it. Actually, it's more than 10. It's 15 of them. So you have this set with these colors on there, and then this set with these colors, and then this set with these colors. So it's a magnetic bookmark, so it looks like this. So you'll just put it on a paper and the magnet will like stay together so it doesn't slide off of the page. It's really cute. It's different. See the magnets? So I got those, and while we're on the topic of books, I will just go ahead and show you guys the books that I got. So I saw this book collection on Amazon, and I figured I'll go ahead and try it. I've never heard of it. It's called IMovie, and it's a 6-book series. So book 1 will be Shatter Me, book 2 will be Unravel Me, book 3 Ignite Me, book 4 Restore Me, book 5 Defy Me, book 6 Imagine Me. And this is how it looks. And this is the book. So super excited to read this. And I also picked up some books for my son. He loves to read, and he's really into like the Dogman collection, so I picked him up the Dogman and the Cat Kid collection. So got these. It comes with a set of 3, so he will definitely enjoy this. For my daughter's birthday party, her friend has a Labradoodle and she really loves Labradoodle, so she got her a little Labradoodle stuffed animal. I'll go ahead and open it and show you guys how it looks. It's so cute. So this is how the little puppy looks. It's so adorable. And I also decided to go ahead and pick up some keratin treatment. So I've kind of been back and forth in between if I want to do a keratin treatment or not. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and do it. It's going to be beneficial for my hair regardless. So I went ahead and I picked up this brand. I got the whole kit, and I also got the shampoo and conditioner to go along with it, just to test it out to see how that goes. This is the shampoo and conditioner. I already have it, so I'll just go ahead and show you guys this. This is the 8.5 full ounce bottle. So this is a anti-frizz conditioner and shampoo, and the brand is Nutri Amazon List. So I will definitely be trying this out, see how that goes. This will be for my natural hair, so we'll definitely see how that goes. And then the last item that I picked up will be the actual keratin treatment. So it's a 3-step treatment, and it's from the same brand, and it's Nutri Amazon List. The Real Brazilian Keratin, and they had a lot of really good reviews, so I'm super excited to test this out to see how it goes. So this is how it comes packaged in this box, and then the 3 steps are in there. So step 1 is the anti-residue shampoo. Let's take a smell and see what it smells like. It smells like a shampoo, clean. The second step is the Brazilian smoothing treatment. Doesn't smell too good, but it still has a clean scent to it. And step 3 is the intensive repair mask. Same, kind of has a similar scent as step 2. So I will definitely be testing these out to see how that works. I don't think I'm going to record me doing it. Maybe the second time I'm doing it, maybe I'll record it and show you guys the process. But since it will be my first time doing it, let me just get the hang of it, and then I'll show you guys my second step, and I will definitely let you know how this goes. I'm super excited to try this out. So that will actually be it for this video today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you did enjoy, and please stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye.